I want to promise you something very, very cool. Very, very cool today. Okay, so I'm at his job. And he's doing his work, but he wanted me this. This showed up day before Christmas, right before he's about to leave at 2 o'clock. And this is what we're talking about. This is a special edition Snap-on 1776 edition with the LEDs, Snap-on, and each one of these boxes gets its own number. This is number 504 of 1776. And let me tell you, this thing is slick. I mean, you know, Snap-on is Snap-on. And like he was telling me, this pegboard, this is his old box. The pegboard in the big drawer is bigger than his, or bigger dimensions than his old box. And like I said, it doesn't get any slicker than this. It's rhino lined on the top, and he says that the cover that goes here, the hutch, what it's called? Yeah. Hutch is coming when? Next week. So it's actually a two-piece system. Comes with all the badging. I mean, come on. Come on. LED, everything. On the inside, everything is lit. There's lights on the inside of each of the trays. I mean, it don't get. He's still polishing on it. He's got to keep it clean. Yeah, he says in this shop the white ain't gonna stay white very long. No, if you had your diamond wish list, this is it. This is it. That's a nice box. Y'all have a great day. It's a great day today. Could be what? Better day tomorrow. I have a new toolbox in your wish list. Y'all be good.